Hi, my name is Jordan, and I am a sixth grade teacher in Frankfort, Kansas, a very small school, my hometown actually. It's my third year teaching. I first taught in Wamego right after graduation as a fourth grade teacher, and I loved it there. However, I wanted to be closer to home, and this position as a sixth grade teacher opened up. So, I've been here for 2 years and I love it. Sixth graders are definitely out of my comfort zone. I like a little bit younger. It's my preference, but sixth graders are growing on me, getting better every day. I am about, I'm over halfway. I have like 2 more classes left in my instructional technology degree. This has been an awesome program so far. I love that everything we do, we can, immediately turn around and use it in our day-to-day instruction if we're not already, using it. So that's kind of what I'm excited for with this course, like I have been with the rest of them. Everything I've used, I've been able to, use in my classroom. So I'm excited to do that as well. About me, I guess this last summer I got married, and my husband and I are expecting our first baby here this spring. So it's been a little crazy and chaotic, and it will continue to be that way. But we're excited and hoping to plug along in this course, even with baby's arrival coming very soon. I'm excited to hopefully become Google certified as well, to take the exam for that after this course concludes. So I'm hoping to retain as much as I can and also turn around and share it with colleagues and coworkers, and help them with their day-to-day in the classroom as well. I look forward to working with everyone. I love Google Communities because I feel like I can constantly share ideas and listen to ideas from other people. And to me, that's worth more than gold. So I look forward to working with all of you.